2010. Britain initially didn't have a maritime patrol capability for some while, but that all changed in 2015 with the procurement of this. Running in from the right, the Boeing Poseidon MRA.1 from number 120 Squadron at RAF Lossiemouth. Weapons bay open, which isn't a configuration I've seen during a Poseidon flypast before. Now, as a troop, which we saw the weapons bay open on earlier, can drop search and rescue kit from that weapons bay, which activates on hitting the water. In for its second pass now.